I don't really want to do the work today. I don't really want to do the work today. I don't want to do the work today. Well, hi. That's better. So I already did my base. I literally did. Talking is hard. I basically did that what I did on my everyday makeup. So, and I said I wanted to do like a red vibe. So I will have to dip into blood sugar again because that's literally the only palette I have that has red tones in it. And I love it. I'm gonna dip into Ouch with like this brush that I kind of always use. And just use it as a transition shade, kind of like in the crease. Then we will see from there because I don't know what I'm doing. Am I tripping? So now I'm just gonna use like a bigger brush and blend that out a little with, I think it's clean. It mostly is. I'm just gonna go over everything with this. So now when you have that, I know here's a little patchy, but I think I'm gonna go over that anyway, so yeah. With this brush again, and I'm gonna use the shade Extraction and just put that in the outer edge of my eye. So now when you're done with that, I'm gonna go in with this bigger brush again and first just blend it again. So when you're here, I'm just gonna go in like that, and I'm straight up gonna dip into Cherry Soda and put that in the crease. Like a little more above the crease, but yeah. So I feel like that's pretty decent, but I kind of want to have it a little bit lighter, like in the brow bone, because right now it's just like faded red kind of. So I'm gonna search for a flat brush, something like that, and glucose, and try to soften that out and make it a little lighter under the brow bone. I feel like that's a little better. It's not perfect, but who is? Just gonna... Yeah, good question. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Cry later. About whatever I didn't know. About why. I think I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna use a brush like this. It's actually from NYX, I think. I don't know how to call this brush. It's like a flat packer brush or something. I'm blind of it, officially. Just gonna spray that. And I'm gonna dip into the gold from the blood sugar palette. And it's called Donor. I don't know, I probably pronounced it so incredibly wrong, but I'm gonna go and dip in the shade. I think that was a good choice. It's kind of pretty. My camera literally just turned off, and I don't know how much you missed. I hope not much. So I think that's really pretty, but I have to apply something in the lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna go in with fresh meat, and again this little brush. I kind of really like it. So I'm going to highlight because I'm not highlighting yet. That was a really weird thing I just did. I'm weird. Every time I have my eyes done, I'm like oh my god. So I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star 24 karat, but I don't know if I wanted to go into sarcophagus or into quintet. Because both are so pretty. I think I'm gonna go with sarcophagus. Dip into sarcophagus. So pretty, like, look at that. I can't get enough, so pretty. The highlight is just more than everything. Hello. So I'm just gonna use mascara now and apply lashes and lips. It's again the Volume Hero mascara, waterproof from Essence, 120 demi black lashes. So when you apply the lashes, it looks like this and I feel pretty. And I just have to apply lipstick now. I think I'm gonna go with this lip, and that's just the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Kitten Heels. I'm just gonna apply that. Yeah, and that's the whole look complete. I don't know, I kinda really like it, even though the lip is a little off. I kinda live for it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on the little bell, comment something if you want, and yeah, follow me on all my social medias. It's all gonna be linked down below, and yeah, hope I see you next time. Bye!